Welcome to Cortix, your AI-powered infrastructure configuration generator. In this demo, I'll show you how Cortix instantly creates complete infra config files from any GitHub repository. Let's get started. This is the Cortix home dashboard, clean, fast, and built for developers. Let's click Start Free Trial. We're now inside the Cortix workspace. Here you simply paste the GitHub repository you want Cortix to analyze. I'll paste the sample GitHub repository link here. Now click on Analysis. In a few seconds, Cortix scans the entire repository and generates a detailed report. It identifies the full tech stack, folder structure, environment variables, and metadata about all languages used. This gives you a complete overview at a glance. Now let's click Generate to build the infra configuration files. Cortix is generating your Docker deployment, CICD, and cloud configuration files, all tailored to your project, and your infrastructure files are ready. Let's walk through the first generated file. Here's the next file, which is Dockerfile, structured and optimized for production. This file covers another essential part of your deployment workflow, and this completes the full set of configuration files created by Cortix. Now click Download, and the complete infra bundle is saved directly to your system. Thank you for watching this demo of Cortix. Start generating production-ready infrastructure in seconds and build smarter with Cortix.